Metcal solder wire feeder system adds speed, control, and convenience to your soldering process. The solder wire feeder pairs with Metcal's Smart Heat MX5200 or MX500 soldering and rework systems. The digital controls, high performance, and its ability to handle multiple solder wire diameters provide functionality and repeatability to your process. The large LCD displays program parameters like password protection that prevents unintended changes to stored programs. Digital controls that enable the operator to control the forward feed length, retraction length, feed rate, and an optional time delay are programmable in either the automatic, forward, or backward modes of operation. Additionally, the unit has internal program storage for 30 programs, allowing the operator to select the right program for the right application. Setup of the unit allows for multiple solder diameters from 0.3 mm to 1.27 mm. A solder spool lock secures the solder spool to the unit. Solder feed blades reduces the tendency for solder balls to form at point of use. Metcal solder wire feeder provides controlled dispensing of solder to the joint, adding increased process control and speed of successfully forming a solder joint. Speed, control, convenience. Only from Metcal.